Kev G, weather overview. Here are your temps right now. You notice it's much cooler out on the island with the sea breeze today. And many places for the city in north and west have already hit the 90-degree marker. And with the combination of heat and humidity, you are seeing isolated pockets of heat indexes of around 100 to 103. And that's what they use, a combination of the actual air temperature and the humidity value. And depending on what the humidity value is, that determines the heat index. So that's in telecast.com. Now, for places on Long Island, you might be a touch warmer tomorrow because the winds will be blowing out of the northwest as opposed to the south. Now, in this hot and humid air mass, we have thunderstorms developing. There's even a few severe thunderstorm watch boxes that are currently in effect, but they're well to the north right now. But I would keep an eye on these because I think around 9 or 10 o'clock tonight we have a shot at some thunderstorms. And then late at night, one of the models, the NAM model, is actually picking up on a second round. So this is what you can expect for the next few hours. If we take a look at the NAM model, and what it basically does is it maintains these thunderstorms and brings them through here in a broken line of thunderstorms by about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. And areas to the north and west are more favored because they're hotter and they're more humid and unstable, while areas near the coast, as we noted before with the temperatures, a little bit cooler, but nonetheless, I would think everybody has fair game for a thunderstorm because it's simply the time of year. I mean, we're in the climatological peak of thunderstorms, being that we are in the middle of June right now. So I would bet on most areas seeing at least a shot at storms around 9 or 10 o'clock, and then the second round comes through late at night. But the good news is that if you're worried about the morning commute tomorrow, Tuesday, I don't think it's a big deal because I think the showers are already gone. And we set ourselves up for a nice day Tuesday. This is all courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. The radar was the Penn State Ewald site. Tuesday we're fine, and then Wednesday more showers move through with some possible thunderstorms. I would think afternoon and evening would be the time where we see the most activity. I think it's more widespread than today, and tonight rather, because I think it's just got moving through at a better time where there's more unstable air, and also that system has a little bit more support with it as it goes through. And then the end of the week looks okay, and then we get more unsettled by the time we get to Saturday night into Sunday. And I talked about the jet stream last time and how important it is, even this time of year. And what I've noticed is that over the last 15 to 20 days, the jet stream has been unusually far to the south. And that's the reason why we've had some surprises where you're not really sure what the weather's going to do because the predictability of the forecast is so low, even with 6 to 12 hours to go in the forecast period, which is kind of a jarring thing when you spend so much time looking at these things. But nonetheless, by early next week, the jet stream does start to slip more to the south. So I would count on a little bit more unsettled weather for late Saturday through Monday, and definitely cooler temperatures, near normal for this time of year nonetheless, but cooler temperatures and maybe a higher chance of rain. So when we look at the extended off of Weather Underground, I think the thing you can take away is that watch out for rain, 2 rounds tonight, Wednesday another round late in the day through early Thursday. Much of Thursday into Friday is okay, and then clouding over Saturday with more rain chances developing for Saturday night into Sunday, and cooler temperatures overall for late week. And I don't think that we're going to be in a situation where it rains the entire time in any one of these periods, but nonetheless, we'll have some passing chances with unsettled spells at times. Much of what we've seen already to start the month looks to continue as we head deeper into the month and actually approach the summer solstice this week.